Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and security of your vehicle is paramount. With the advent of technology, remote monitoring capabilities have become increasingly popular, allowing car owners to keep a vigilant eye on their vehicles, even when they're miles away. 4G remote monitor dashcams have emerged as an innovative solution, combining the functionality of traditional dashcams with the convenience of real-time remote monitoring via 4G connectivity. These advanced dashcams offer features like live streaming, GPS tracking, and cloud storage, providing peace of mind to vehicle owners. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 best 4G remote monitor dashcams available in the market, each offering a unique set of features tailored to meet your security needs on the road. Number 5. IORSOR K19 4G Remote Monitor Dashcam. The IORSOR K19 4G Remote Monitor Dashcam is a feature-packed device designed to provide comprehensive surveillance and recording capabilities for your vehicle. From its impressive array of functions to its durable construction, this dashcam offers a reliable solution for capturing crucial moments on the road. One of the standout features of the IORSOR K19 is its dual camera setup comprising both front and rear lenses. This configuration ensures that you have complete coverage of your surroundings, minimizing blind spots and providing valuable footage in the event of an incident. The front camera boasts a wide 150-degree view angle and a high-resolution 1920x 1080 camera resolution, delivering crisp and detailed video recordings. Number 4. Bluavido 4G Remote Monitor Dashcam. The Bluavido 4G Remote Monitor Dashcam offers a comprehensive solution for vehicle monitoring and security, boasting an array of features tailored to meet the needs of modern drivers. Here's a detailed review based on its specifications and performance. Powered by the SL8521E Cortex-A53 CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz and equipped with 512 MB ROM and 256 MB RAM, the Bluavido dashcam delivers smooth and reliable performance. The Linux operating system ensures stability and efficiency, while the built-in 4G connectivity enables real-time monitoring and remote access via the CloudVR app. Number 3. DDPAI Dashcam Mini 5 4K. As an avid road traveler, ensuring safety on the road is paramount. That's why I recently invested in the DDPAI Dashcam Mini 5 4K, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. Firstly, let's talk about the video quality. With a resolution of 3840x2160 and utilizing the advanced Sony IMX415 imaging sensor, this dashcam delivers stunningly crisp and clear footage. Whether it's capturing scenic landscapes or crucial details during an incident, the clarity and sharpness are truly impressive. The use of H.265 video coding ensures efficient compression without compromising on quality, allowing for ample storage space on the memory card. The wide view angle ranging from 105 degrees to 140 degrees ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, minimizing blind spots and providing a broader perspective of the surroundings. This is particularly beneficial for capturing crucial details in the periphery, which might go unnoticed with narrower view angles. Number 2. JIMIMAX JC400P 4G Wi-Fi Dashcam. The JIMIMAX JC400P 4G Wi-Fi Dashcam is a comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance, offering a plethora of features designed to enhance safety and security on the road. Here's a detailed review based on its specifications and functionalities. The dashcam boasts a sturdy build quality, with dimensions of 1,096,952 mm and weighing in at 0.89 kg. Its compact size ensures it doesn't obstruct the driver's view, while providing ample functionality. Equipped with a 1920x 1080 resolution and H.264 video codec, the JC400P delivers crisp and clear footage. The loop cycle recording feature ensures uninterrupted recording, while the night shot function enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Number 1. TiESFONG M8's Monitor Dashcam. First and foremost, let's talk about the video quality. With a camera resolution of 1920x 1080 and an aperture of f1.6, the M8 captures crisp and clear footage both during the day and at night. The night shot function ensures that even in low-light conditions, details remain visible, providing peace of mind around the clock. One of the standout features of the M8 is its 4-channel capability, allowing for comprehensive coverage around the vehicle. Not only does it have a front-facing camera, but it also includes a rear camera, providing complete surveillance of both the front and back of the car. The wide-angle view, 140 degrees 170 degrees, ensures that no details are missed, whether it's capturing a license plate or monitoring the surroundings. Thanks for watching this video.